A perfect relationship isn't one where no fights or no disagreements ever happen. In fact, in perfect relationships, they do happen, but the difference is that repair work can happen. So, for example, my brother and I, we have a perfect relationship. We still piss each other off, we hurt each other, we say stupid things. And the difference is that we matter to each other enough that we can go to each other and say, hey, remember that time that really hurt my feelings, or that really pissed me off, or this impacted me that way. And the other person's able to sit in it and reflect and make amends for the impact that their actions or words had. It doesn't mean that we agree at the end of the day on the same things, but our feelings matter to us. And then at the end, one of us says, thank you for bringing this up and sharing that you were hurt with me. And that's really important. And in the end, this authenticity builds trust in our relationship. So, yeah, I am really grateful that my brother and I have worked to get this far and that we can do that.